Now with DuctQuote, we want to make things as automated and quick as possible. And often duct systems are going to have components or even entire sections that repeat. With DuctQuote, we can speed up the drawing of your system by using the cloning function. It can be used on both duct as well as equipment. Let's look at cloning a section of duct first. So let's open a new layout. We're going to name it. Size won't be really important. So we'll stick with the 30 by 30 here. Now the one thing that we will do is we're going to set up our initial diameter for drawing here to 4 inches. Actually, we're going to start a little larger. Let's start with a 12-inch trunk. Let's draw a 12-inch trunk right across. So we start with a point. Let's put it 10 feet in the air. Got a low ceiling. Now going to draw our 12-inch trunk. Take it most of the way across. Now we'll set up a system where we have a 4-inch drop, and we will come out 4 feet. And we're going to set this to an elbow. So I'm going to edit this and tell the system that instead of a branch, I want a 90-degree elbow. I'm going to draw a drop down, and I'm going to go down 5 feet. And then we're going to turn this back towards the trunk for 2 feet. Now what we've done is we've just created a drop that is ready to connect to the side or connect horizontally to a machine. All right? Now, what if we had 4 of these? Well, we could draw each of them individually, or we could use the clone function. Now, the way that we would do that is we start by setting DuctQuote into edit mode, and then using the control key, I'm going to select the entire drop section. And with it selected, I come up to the clone button. Now, as I said, let's pretend we have 4 of these, so I'll need 3 more. Clicking the clone button 1, 2, 3 times. Now with this last one, if I use the axis arrows, I can move this down, red moving it left and right, and the blue is going to move it in towards, and you see as I approach, I get the yellow dot, which we're used to by now, that says DuctQuote's ready to make a connection. I let go, and I allow DuctQuote to proceed with that connection. Now, this connection needs to be our 45-degree lateral with our elbow. So now if we select the next, we can move it. Approach, and we can make our break in. And finally, we can move the last one. You can see that that went a lot faster, but can we also use it on equipment? Well, the answer is yes. So each of these is a 4-inch drop. So if we create a single machine, and we are going to add a connection, which is a 4-inch connection. Again, we have to make sure to define it. Again, let's use 4,500 as our velocity. Remember to calculate your CFM, and let's make the new connection. Now, where do we want that connection? Well, it needs to be one that can actually reach. So as you can see here, we're going to place that connection right there on the edge of the machine. Okay. Now with that machine selected, cloning allows us exactly what we did with the duct, we can now do with the machine. Very quickly, we can connect these machines onto our drops. As you can see, this took mere minutes. And we have a system that is ready to calculate. And there we have it. So now you can see how to use clone to speed things up, to draw entire sections faster. So if you want to watch the next segment, you'll learn a few tricks about several accessories and fittings and how you can add them. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you.